That's so funny. I can't stop laughing. My stomach hurts.
Fast food in modern life. Fast food has become an important part of modern lifestyles, especially in cities, with people leading busy lives and having less time to cook at home. Fast food offers a quick and convenient solution. Fast food chains like McDonald's, KFC, and Domino's are now present in almost every part of the world. They serve ready to eat meals like burgers, fries, pizzas, sandwich, and soft drinks that are often affordable and tasty. However, the growing popularity of fast food has also negative effects. Most fast food is high in calories, sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Regular consumption can lead to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other health problems. It may also affect mental health and energy levels. Children and Gen Zs are mostly influenced by fast food advertising and attractive packaging. Despite its popularity, people are now becoming more aware of the importance of healthy eating. Many fast food companies are introducing healthier options like salads, baked meals, and low calories meal. Still, it is important for individuals and families to maintain a balanced diet, cook at home when possible, and avoid depending too much on fast food.